It's that time of year again where those who own property are starting to receive their tax assessments in the mail. A lot of people have been coming to me as a realtor asking me whether or not these assessments that they're receiving are giving them the actual market value of their property. So I'm going to try to explain to you exactly how it works. So I've seen properties that are assessed at one value sell significantly above, at, and below. So there's quite a range. It's a bit of a tough question. So here we go. The tax department doesn't have nearly enough people to actually go into every single house and assess the exact value. So they base it on an approximate value. They take a look at the location of your property and the size of your property and give you an approximate number. Let's say that your property value is $900,000. They then look at the house that's on the property. Is it a 1912 house? Is it a brand new house? What's the condition of it from the outside? So they will base it on that, and let's say you have an older house, they'll give you $100,000 for it. What they don't know is you've just finished doing $50,000 worth of renovations. You've just finished all the bathrooms, you've done the kitchen, you've put beautiful hardwood flooring in, you've just put $30,000 into landscaping. Now they're not going to actually give you the value in your tax assessment for those upgrades because they don't know about them. On the flip side, let's say your property has been rented for the last 2 years and it hasn't been taken care of. No upgrades have been done, you haven't really put any work, your grass is extremely high, hasn't been cut. Then in that scenario, you're actually going to be given an assessment value that's a little bit higher than your actual market value of your property. So it does quite range. At the end of the day, I think the most important thing is the house. You can base your assessment on the property pretty clearly, but when it comes to the house, you're going to have to play around and see what type of condition it's in. If you have any more questions, my name is Emma Hamel, and I am happy to answer your questions anytime. Thank you so much.